All right, just for context, this is a dance that was choreographed probably 5 years ago. It was one of the first dances I ever choreographed, and it's never made it onto the channel. We've shot it five separate times, and it's just never worked out. It's been audio problems, video problems. This is the actual video. The first move is very, very flamboyant. You're gonna step right, together, left, together. The arms with that are you slap your thighs and you throw it up. And you can snap when you go up if you want, or not, it's your life. And then you're gonna throw it away. And you kind of get lower when you do it. Wow, I do love this move. You step up and you kind of roll your body, snap, throw it low. Yas, and your hands just go flick, flick, flick. Your wrists are just snapping, snappity, snap, snap. So it's, I'm feeling sexy. Tonight I am all yours. You're gonna do that 4 times, maybe 8, I think 8 times. And then you're gonna go right into the baby. Oh, thank you, happy Sunday. So after you're here, this arm is gonna push down, kind of like in Me Too. And then your right foot is gonna go up, up, and then you just switch up, 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 up. Then that's gonna go right into single, single, double. So then your right foot is gonna go single, single, double. Arms are really whatever you wanna do. You can have them above your head, just do your feet, as long as it's a single, single, double with the knees. So let's take it from the top to the right. Here, I'm feeling sexy. Tonight I am all yours, boy. If you can reach me, something about my flame. Every time I get to home, I just want to take you home. Baby, the minute I feel your energy, the vibe is just taking over me. Got me feeling so crazy, babe. Single, single, double, double, and single. Yes, Beyonce, ha. The last time, ha, double, double. We're really gonna start recording like pop music soon. After the last double, double, we're gonna do a ball change, which is a fancy word for switch your feet. So your foot's up like this, you ball, so you put the ball of your left foot down, and then you change your weight onto your right foot. And then you just continue to walk. So after that's double, you ball change. Strut, strut, strut. 1, 2, yeah, so 4 times, so 4 struts. So after single, single, double, last 1, and here we go, ball change. 2, 3, 4, you just fucking drop. You stick both your feet out and you, on that part. You know what I'm talking about. And then you're just gonna step front with your right foot, and this is a pivot turn because you step, remember that ball, and you pivot around to the back. And it's just kind of like all your weight's going forward, and then you just put all your weight back. So the feet, because you can't see the feet, because I think we were out of frame. There you go. Happy Sunday. So you ball change, 2, 3, 4, jump out, step right, turn around, and 1, 2, 3, 4. This time you don't drop, you just roll your body to the front and walk. 2, 3, 4, jump out, roll it in. Oh yeah, I'm sorry, I forgot. Yeah. Jump out, roll it in. So you hop together, then you step, turn around. 1, 2, 3, 4, and roll your body to the front. Very good. Bye. We go right back into step, up, throw it away, ta, up, step, throw it away, and now you're gonna single, double, and double 2 more times. I think you actually keep going. You have something about feeling so crazy. Single, single, double, and lately I feel the fun coming over me. I don't know what's gotten into me. The rhythm's got me feeling so crazy. Babe, ball change tonight. I'll be your naughty girl. Together, pivot, turn, and walk, 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 walk. Roll your body, and walk towards the Volkswagen and up. And pivot, turn, ra-ta. Look me up and down, because you want my body. Then this part is where she goes, I love to love you, baby.
Wow,
And
you kind of hit that.
I know. And so that part, you're just gonna literally just feel your sexy body and watch the Prius pass you and feel your sexy body. I think it's like 4 to 8 counts like usual. After the second, fourth, third time she starts saying love to love you, baby, you're going to just roll your body down and you're gonna open your legs at the same time. And so your hands can do whatever. So it's just roll. It's out, 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 out. And then you just stay down here and you can just like bounce 2, 3, 4, take it up, 6, 7, 8, and walk, 2, and back to the chorus. So let's go from the walks to the front. The last set, and walk, 2, 3, 4, step, roll it up and take it back. Walk it to the back, roll your body, and this is where you feel your fantasy. I love to love you, baby. I love to love you, baby. Roll it down and open. Love to love you, baby. Take it, bounce, bounce, bounce. Take it up and love to love you, babe. Last time, ball change. 2, 3, 4, and calling all my girls. Say, look me up and down. Don't you want my body? Calling all my girls. I really think that's it. I really do.
It's so simple.
It's really simple, you guys. Should we do it all together? I feel like for this one, it's just like you.
Oh, it's like intuitive.
I feel like you can just feel it.
You've done this so many times. You've literally, we've literally
Baby.
done this song at least.
You know, it really does help if I sing it.
Then sing.
All right. I'm feeling sexy. Tonight I am all yours, boy. You can reach me. I will still be yours. Take it here and baby, the minute I feel your energy, the vibe is just taking over me. Got me feeling so crazy, babe. Single, single, double. Feel the fun coming over me. I don't know what's got to. Baby, I feel the fun coming over me. I don't know what's gotten into me. Rhythm's got me feeling so crazy, babe. Ball change, I'll be your naughty girl. Calling all my girls. I see you look me up and down. Tonight, I'll be your naughty girl. People are gonna watch this because they're gonna be so annoyed with the singing.
Yep, yeah.
Turn around. Love your body. Yeah, then we go. So we go back into this. And then the thing, and let's just go to the doubles here. And baby, the minute I feel your me, got to run something energy. I'm still feeling crazy. Single, single, double. Lately, I feel the fun coming over me. I don't know what's gotten into me. The rhythm's got me feeling so. Here we go, ball change. Here we go, left, right. Walk, walk, walk. Take it down, roll it up, and step it back. Walk away from the incoming traffic. Roll your sexy body. You can go, it's okay. I'll be your naughty girl. We're still going. Ha! Rock, walk, walk, walk. This is where we just love our bodies. I love to love you, baby. I love to love you, babe. Take it down and roll. I sound like Miranda sings. And bounce, 2, 3, 4. Take it up, 2, 3, 4. Tonight, I'll be your naughty girl. Calling all my girls. Someone just screamed at us, and I'm not feeling safe. I'll be a naughty girl. Yeah, no, someone screamed at us. No, that's the rest of the song. You got it. Just watch the video. Links down below. We're going to get out of here.